Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Coders Arcade. In the last tutorial, we learned about data types in C++. Okay, so in this tutorial, this will be the next part, and here we will be learning about one more important topic, which is keywords in C++. Okay, so before starting this video, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, if you really like our content, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon because that will help you to receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Okay. So without any more ado, let's get started. As I said, today's topic will be keywords in C++. Okay. So let's get quickly into business. Let me open the PPT that I have prepared for you. Okay. And let me make it full screen. So today, as I said, we will be talking about keywords in C++. Okay. So what are keywords? Let us directly go into the definition. As the name suggests, in C++, a keyword is actually a reserved word, okay, that has a specific meaning and uses within the language. That means if you have a keyword that cannot be used as a variable name, okay, that is reserved for some purpose. It will do some particular task. So you cannot take that name and make it a variable. Like we did, remember, we can name A, B, C as variable names, but there are some reserved keywords which you cannot use as variable names or any function names, etc. Okay. So as you can see in the second point, these words cannot be used as identifiers or variable names because they are already reserved for specific purposes. Okay. So anything that is reserved for doing some specific task, you cannot use them as variable names or other function names. Okay, so that is not possible. Those are called keywords. Okay, some simple example of keywords in C++ are integer, int, if, else, and there are lots of them. Okay, let's dig deep into this and try to understand how many keywords are there in C++. Okay, so guys, please remember keywords were also there in C programming. Okay, and that's because C programming is actually the one language from which C++ has taken birth or taken its root. So almost all the keywords that we have in C are there in C++. Okay, let's see the table where we have the commonly used keywords both in C and C++. Okay, so here you can see this is the table of 32 keywords which are common in both C and C++. Guys, you don't have to remember all of this. I'm just giving you a brief elaboration and description. Okay, just go through this once, go through this table, try to remember that. If you don't remember, that is also okay. Gradually, it comes with practice. Okay, the more code you write, the more you understand the logic, the more you get used to the syntax and the keywords that you have to use. Okay, depending on the scenario and the requirement of the application or whatever you are building, you will get used to the keywords that you will be using in both either you are using C or C++. Okay, that doesn't matter if you don't remember all of this. Okay, so just remember this number. 32 keywords are common in both C and C++. That's it. Okay, so out of them you can see we have auto, we have break, we have case, char, const, and so on. Okay, and there are some extra keywords which are only available in C++. Okay, let's again go to that table as well so that you can see that. Okay, so here you can see there are 30 keywords only available in C++. Okay, that is ASM, dynamic cast, namespace, because we don't have the concept of namespace in C language. Okay, namespaces are only available in C++. Okay, we'll talk about all this when we are actually learning about namespaces. I have already told you how you can use the using namespace std, remember? So namespaces is like a collection where you have your predefined functions also, or you can create your own defined functions. Okay, user defined functions, that also you can do. Okay, and there are many other keywords like private, we have class, because C++ is an object oriented language. We have all this keywords like class and all, and also we have the protected keyword. As you can see here, these are access specifiers which are not available in C language. Okay, we have public, private, and protected, which are there. And then we have type name and the virtual keyword. We'll talk about all of this when we are learning about these concepts in future. Okay. So this is it, guys. The earlier table was actually the common keywords in both C and C++. You can pause the video and just take a screenshot of this, or if you want, you can take a note of this. And these are the 30 keywords which are only available in C++. Okay, you can just simply pause the video and just take a snippet of this if you want. That will be helpful for you in future. Okay, so just to keep a record of what I'm saying in the video. Okay, and now let's go to a simple summary of what are keywords actually, and then we will wind up this tutorial, and then I will meet you in the next one. Okay, so you can see here C++ is a programming language that uses keywords to define its syntax and structure. Okay, and as I said earlier, these keywords are reserved words that cannot be used as variable names or any identifiers. Okay, there are many keywords in C++, as I said you, and I have showed you both the tables. One table for the commonly used keywords in both C and C++, and one for the keywords which are only available in C++. Okay, and each keyword has its specific meaning. Okay, you cannot replace one by the other. Okay, that is not possible. And therefore, in the last line I have written, it's important to understand and use them correctly in order to write valid and effective code in C++. Okay, because guys, if your code is not efficient, your client will not be accepting your application. That is very important. Efficiency and time management are going hand in hand in order to make an application better. Okay, the more your application is efficient, the more users come into your app. Clear? So we'll learn about all these things gradually. I hope you've understood this. So that's all about keywords. I hope you like the video, and if you have any doubts, please comment your doubts in the comment section. I will be happy to clarify them. And guys, please, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications about our further updates. Thank you. This is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and happy learning.